I bought this JBL Flip Essential, I think it's called, from eBay. I paid around £30 for it. I'll put the listing on the screen. And it's definitely called a Flip Essential because there's the box that it came in. And if you look at this somewhere, Amazon warehouse. So to me, this looks brand new. This box looks new. The product looks new. It's even got a nice little sticker on it there. All the packaging is inside this, so I'm guessing this was new from faulty? Start that one again, Steve. I'm guessing this was faulty from new, which is interesting. I think Vince did a video on something. It wasn't the same one as this, but it was a bigger one, a more expensive one. I think this one retails for about £100. But anyway, it's very similar in that it charges, but it doesn't turn on. So I'll just show you it charging. In fact, I've fully charged it. There we go. So it's charging absolutely fine. It just will not turn on. Now, I think you're just supposed to tap this button to turn it on. I don't think you have to hold it, but whether you tap it or hold it, it still doesn't come on. And none of these buttons do anything. So yeah, it's a bit weird. I think we'll have to open this bad boy up and see what's going on. And it's everybody's favourite, no visible screws.
Back once again with the quadruped mask, trying to take this apart, gonna end in disaster. No visible screws, what I got to lose? Oh hell, let's crack it open and see what ensues. Now we gotta thank all the lovely patrons. I know you don't like it, but hold them tongues. Well, next time we'll rap about your mom. Anyway, I digress. Here's Cooey Jiggers and Dr. Princess Wizard ain't no fuss. Anthony Dean right there explode, cranking up down the celestial road. Badger Squatch, he's the master G. It's all about style with Frito TV. It's hard to find a rhyme for Tidda. Just as Tim House Magdeburg, did I deliver? Adam RDL Taylor still going west. Finally, Lee Benz, y'all are truly the best. On with the flip, hope I don't break a clip. I think I broke a clip. Oh, flip.
Broke a clip.
That flips us over nicely to HHG. Steve Stepanek, Jump Project, Kid V, Aaron Baseline, Ashton, Olston and Family, Lucas and Boone, Kenneth Terry, Kissox, Jonathan Harden, Get the Money, Flux, Kid Hakes, Michael Biggie, Sarah Cat, near the end with Greavesy, give Quickie a chance, don't you see? Peace.
Okay, I managed to get to the battery. I wanted to see if there was any voltage in the battery. I've obviously got down to the power button here. Oh no, that's not the power button, is it? Where's the power button? No, that's those buttons. So the power button is there. So where's that? Is it on this side? Oh, that's it. Right, so the power button's there. Right, so let's see if we can get this off. Not that, this. I guess it's just glued down. Well, that's tough. Right, I don't want to damage that, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's undo this. The battery's in there, but it's well and truly stuck down. Let's take these speakers out. Oh, that didn't help. these connectors in here don't look like they come out. I sort of pulled them a little bit, but they look like they're soldered to the board. And these are just flapping around, so I'm going to desolder the speakers from here, I think. And just take a picture, make sure I put them back on the right polarity. Right, I'm hoping I can get this board out. If I undo the screws at this side, take this passive radiator off, hopefully I can get the board out. I still can't see how I'm going to get this board out. Oh yeah, I've got no idea how that comes out of there. Let's just pretend it doesn't come out. Well, it obviously does, but I want to see if I can get to these buttons first, because that's the first thing I want to check. Okay, we're in. So there is only one button on the top, and that is the power button. The rest of it is LEDs there. Okay, well that's that off. I mean, it could be a problem with the button. It could also be a problem with this ribbon cable. Does this board come out? I mean, it looks like it's plastic welded in place. Well, before I go breaking it, let's see if the button's working. Multimeter in continuity. Okay, so let's press the button. Yep, button works fine. So it's not the button. Is it going to be the ribbon cable? It's this, isn't it? How do I even get that out? I mean, it's very tightly in there. There's not a lot of room for manoeuvre, and it's very folded over on itself. Oh, wait a minute, that doesn't look right. Let's get that under the microscope. Well, would you look at that? It's damaged. There's no... What? Yeah, there's no pin there. Or no trace or whatever. So it looks like it's been pushed in, but it's forced the pin back, has it? Oh, I don't know. That seems to be... No, it is moving. Let me stick this down. No way. I mean, I don't know if I can reuse this, to be honest, because it's all a bit mangled at the end. Yeah, that bit at the end's just snapped off now, and I'm not sure that's going to be long enough to work. I mean, ideally, you'd just replace that, wouldn't you? I'm guessing that's the problem. But I don't think I can replace it, because I don't have any of those. Looks like you can buy them. I've had a look on Amazon and eBay, and there's a few, but I mean, I don't know which one I'm getting. I don't know what the pitch is on these or whatever it is. I'm wondering if I get away with cutting it in line there and making a fresh connection. I'd have to make sure that was stuck down, didn't move. How am I going to do that? So small. I mean, if I put a tiny amount of glue under there, I just don't know whether I've got the precision. It's got to be worth a go. I mean, if all else fails, I'll order a replacement up. In fact, I'll probably do that anyway. Right, I've got some super glue with a precision tip thing on it. I mean, it's precision, it's tiny, but I'm guessing against this ribbon cable it's going to look enormous. I need to get it under there and then hold it down with something that isn't going to stick to it. This is not going to be easy. Right, let's give it a go. Trust me, my hand is not moving that much. It's just massively exaggerated under the microscope. Right, I think that has got the tiniest amount on. Let's give that a go. Right, well, I'll just let that set for a few minutes and we'll come back to it. Right, let's have a look at this now. Oh, nice. That is
solid.
Right, so now I just need to cut in line with that. It's easier said than done. Let's get a X-Acto knife. Let's see if we can be X-Acto with this. There. Stop wobbling. I've never shaken so much in my entire life. And we've got it. Wow. I mean, that was not easy. But that is a pretty darn straight cut. Happy with that. Right, let's see if we can get it back in. That's the first challenge. This is so difficult. Oh, I think that's gone in. I think it's gone in. I mean, what I will do if this does work, which I'm still dubious about, I'll put some hot glue on there because there is hot glue around this area, presumably, you know, in case you drop it. And that's the battery back in. Where's the power button? Here it is. No. Oh, I disconnected this side, didn't I, as well? No way. No way. Yes! I did not expect that to work. Obviously, there's no sound because the speakers aren't connected. I mean, I don't know if that's working, but it definitely wasn't doing that before. And off. I think that's working. But let's put it back together and find out. I'm a bit reluctant to put this all back together because It took me ages to get it apart. And if I put it all back together and it doesn't work, but for the purposes of the video, but then people will tell me that I'm a complete idiot if I do it and it doesn't work. Such a hard choice. Well, everyone knows I'm an idiot anyway, don't they? So let's just put it all back together. Get your commenting fingers at the ready. I'm just going to put some hot glue on the connector, on the ribbon cable. I've got a new stick in here and it keeps falling out. I saw someone do this trick that I'm about to do, but I can't remember who it was. You basically just put a little blob on the end there, and then it sticks to the one that's already in there. It's genius. It's absolute genius. Why didn't I think of that? Anyway. Ow, burning hot glue. Let's put some hot snot on here. And obviously the beauty of hot snot, if you can call it beauty, is that it can be removed with some isopropyl alcohol. Dead simple. The annoying thing about hot snot is you get these little strands that just go everywhere. Okay, and for the moment of truth. Do you want to do the honours, Dave? Oh, yes, please. Thanks, Dave. Yes. Wow. Sounds pretty good for something so small. Volume works. And play and pause works. Excellent. What a stupid ribbon cable.